morning. Look how beautiful the sun rises in western Charlotte, North Carolina. Good morning, Mason Price.
Good morning.
I think it's finally getting too cold for my poor little flowers out here. Remember those lip balms that I made a few days ago? Vlogmas day number 2. I'll post that video here at the top. Now, those balms need to be labeled. So let's do that now. Got all my lip balms labeled. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? There's my phone always interrupting me. Okay, so until I figure out how I want to store these, I'm just gonna place them in one of my totes. I've got all of my ingredients laid out and I've got them separated by phases. Phase 1 ingredients include glycerin, xanthan gum, and distilled water. My phase 2 ingredients are cocoa butter propylbutane, sodium cocoa isothianate, and stearic acid. And last but not least, I'm adding a preservative. Over here is my crock pot. So the first thing I'm going to do is weigh out my glycerin. And to that, I'm going to add my xanthan gum and mix it really, really well. And the final ingredient in our phase 1 is our distilled water. Add our glycerin and xanthan gum to our distilled water. Let's get our mixer and give this a really, really good mix. So that looks mixed very well to me. I'm going to change the camera angle so you guys can see me pour this into my crock pot. And the first time I did this recipe, I made 1,500 grams and it filled up about half of my crock pot. So I've doubled that recipe. I think I should still have enough room in my crock pot. And I like to warm up my crock pot before I put the phase 1 ingredients in there because I want it to heat up or warm up my ingredients evenly. All right, let's cover you up and move on to phase 2. Next, I'm going to weigh out my phase 2 ingredients and add those to my crock pot. All of my ingredients are added to my crock pot. I'm going to let this cook or melt, as you want to say, and I'm just going to keep stirring it occasionally. I want to make sure that all of my noodles are completely melted and my stearic acid. And if you want to test it, you can just get a little bit off the spatula, rub it between your fingers and make sure there's no grittiness there. So here are the shower steamers that I made the other day, drying nicely. And these babies, nice and hard. I think I'll give them a few more days though to harden up a little bit more. I don't want to package them too soon. I've got my whipped soap base for my sugar scrubs. I got that sitting over there because I have a lot of sugar scrubs that I need to make. And that's gonna take a few hours. So in the meantime, I think I'll make some body butters because I'm also completely sold out on body butters. I've got my ingredients heating up for my emulsified body butter. There's my oils and butters, and there's my glycerin and distilled water. I'm going to check on my foaming soap base. Very nice. Very, very nice.
Are you recording me?
Yep. And that's my baby. He came by to visit after work. What's in your hand, Mason?
My phone.
And what's in the other hand?
World famous Janae Rose shower steamers. I don't know that word, but it's mint.
I'm starting to think that the reason you come over here is to get free product.
No. If I wanted to get free product, I'd come in like 12 o'clock at night.
Yeah. And then I've got a big batch of body butters that are waiting. Mason helped me pour that because I almost spilled it. I didn't realize my bowl wasn't big enough. And last but not least, the foaming body whip is done. So I'm going to take this off the heat, let it cool down to below 150, and then I'll add my preservative. This is what happens when your tripod leg breaks and it knocks over your fragrance oil.
Oh, it's broken.
It's broken. I think I need a new tripod.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm definitely glad they started bringing fields on for them third down and short conversions.
They need them there. They need them there.
Yeah, because you wanna throw a 40-yard ball on 3rd and 1.
They need them there.
And there's my other son.
She's talking to you.
Wow. I actually fried some fish. I do not fry fish. I'm not really good at it, but I thought I'd give it a shot. And we really don't eat a lot of fried food around here, so yeah. I don't know why this color is so off. Oof. Anyhow, thank you for tuning in for Vlogmas day number 4. Much ado about nothing. I was just making body butters and whipped soap batter. What else did I do today? Turned over my shower steamers. It was just really not an eventful day, and that's okay because I'm still tired from yesterday. But tomorrow I hope you all come back and join me because I'm going to be jarring those body butters, and I'm also going to be making those sugar scrubs, and it'll probably be time for me to package up those shower steamers and get all of that stuff ready to sell. So thank you so much, and I want to give a huge shout out to all my Patreons. Thank you guys for all of your support, and if you want to be a Patreon and you want the recipe to any of the products that I've made, that's on my Patreon, which is posted in that description box below. And I will see you guys tomorrow.